YouTube, what it do, man? We back at it on this beautiful Friday, ready to make some money. You feel what I'm saying? Today we got another special guest. Yeah, like I said, we got another special guest today, but I don't know if she's gonna be in the video.
I can't even see the whole.
I know. So today is our first day trying to trade. You traded before, right? A little bit. A little bit. She
Why
got
am I doing it?
a little experience, huh?
Why am I doing it?
So she basically tried to prove a point, have like a case study, and see like, is it really that hard to why I keep blowing accounts? So we're gonna see. But I ain't gonna just let her blow an account. I'm gonna basically my goal is for her to actually pass. So I'm gonna just do the same thing instead of me trying to rush it and pass a challenge real quick in 2 days. I'm gonna take the slow route with her because that's the safest route, honestly. I just don't be liking to waste time on a challenge. But that's where mindset comes into play. Like, yeah, I need to take my time regardless, whether it's funded or challenge. Like, regardless, I need to have the same rules and not switch stuff up. So she's trying to get a funded account before me. I would tell you to switch and use the laptop, but this is easy to use. Mm. So we go right here. Right there.
Put NAS.
Put in MNQ.
Micro NAS.
Because we train the micros, the ones that's $2 per point. But if you wanted to trade the regular ones, you go to just NQ. And it's the same chart. It's just when you put in a trade,
Just 20.
like, so what you want to do in the morning is really start off on a higher time frame, 4 hour, 15 minute, just to check out like what is it really doing? What does it really want to do? Like a daily bias almost. You would never really be able to know exactly what it's going to do. You just kind of like guess from like the history. So right now, each candlestick is representing a day, 1 day. So that means for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is day 5. It's just been going down. For the most part, like here, you see the wicks. That means it's been going up and down. So really, it's just been consolidating, which means just staying in a range like a box. Finally broke out yesterday and just went straight down. So we know that it's bearish. But anyways, all of that correlates from the daily to the 4 hour. So it all correlates, but you want to enter on like a lower time frame, 15 or 5. I enter on 1 minute because obviously I be trading too much, over leveraging. So I don't be trying to have it go too much in the opposite direction before the trade plays out. Cause you know how I'll be like, I lost, but it took me out right before it went in my direction. So yeah, don't want to do that unless you're using like micros like this. But on 1 minute, it gives you just a better entry in general. Let me try to find an example. Okay, cool. So like this little area, I would call this a fair value gap. You know why? Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's because 5 minutes. So we got this candlestick, this candlestick, this candlestick, right? So I marked the little gap in between it. And you see how this next candlestick came into it, but it never closed above it. It just wicked into it. So it went all the way up there, but then it started going down. So imagine if you get in right here, right? You on the 5 minute and you mark this out before it even happens. And you enter right here, right? Enter trade at basically 8:30. And the trade goes all the way up to 8:40. Now you taking a 10-point loss because you looking on a bigger time frame. Whereas if you were to go to 1 minute, now you got more details to see like, okay, let me wait, You could have waited till it did this, made a double top, went back up, and now you've seen some bearish momentum for real. Versus it just going straight up, and then you feeling like you scared to stay in the trade and all types of stuff. So we got 8 minutes to open. So we're gonna see what to do when it open, and then we're gonna wait another 20 minutes to place a trade. Because you gotta wait to see. Because basically that's gambling. Because when the market opens,
Oh, you're trying to.
you don't know what the market wants to do for real.
You're trying to get a sense of what's gonna happen.
Right. So yeah, it just takes a lot of patience. So what happened right here is I really could have got in right here. Because I was feeling, since we was looking right here, I knew this shit just looking like it's gonna keep going down based off of repetition it's been doing. Unless it breaks this and like actually starts to go above here, then we'll look to take it all the way up here. Otherwise, I think it's gonna continue going down here before it goes back up. And then if you go here and measure this whole move up, we will be at a discount in this area and this area. We already at discount right here, but it usually doesn't retrace from here. It usually goes to either this green or this yellow, which is a 0.50. This is basically half of this whole move. Either there or it's gonna go down to here and then start to go back up. Try to hit here, and even if it busts through here, it's gonna try to go up there. And this is a field retracement tool, just to show you like when you in a discount area on which time frame. So you do that on each time frame, but it's a lot. I know it's a lot, but yeah, we could have took that really. But
That's when you were talking about getting in early.
yeah, but going lower. So if I would have took it right here off these highs and come down here, that's 80 points that quick.
You need to go to the moon.
Get in the cell. Just to see how it works. So boom, you will press this.
Join us.
But wait though. Until it's showing like a reversal. I'm gonna tell you what to do. No, you would just press L.
Okay.
You would tap this and pull it down. So you'll take marker right here. And you will set a stop loss here or something. But this is a 15-minute. Go down. You want to go down to at least a 5 minutes.
Do you want me to go to a one?
I mean, one that has your anxiety through the roof because if you go up, down.
Yeah. I don't want to.
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Now it's going back up. So you're like, oh shit, let me get out.
Yeah.
That might be your thoughts, but it may just be retracing. Going back up because the market just can't go up straight down. They go up, down. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Now you're back in profit that quick.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did. Show them. First winning trade.
They can't see. But we in there. And it's going to the moon. Or it's going to the
ground. So
and what if I was trading
$40?
If I was trading the other one, I would have been at 400.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? Because then if you lose, you're gonna lose $400.
Right. He spoke too soon. Don't move it further.
I moved it to this high because it may come into this little fair value gap and then retrace and go down.
I was gonna say too, it's been going down for so long.
Yeah, it has. But it was going up last week. It went up 1,300 points. You know how many points that is?
That's because Trump won though.
I mean, it does that sometimes, but that's a lot. Just going straight up, that's a lot. So it needed to like come down. It was supposed to bend came down.
It is a little stressful though watching it.
For sure. You gotta like really be locked in and control your emotions, your whole everything. I mean, you could take it whenever you want to. The goal is to get. You have to have 3,000 profit.
How do I take it? Do I just hit X on any of them?
Oh, this one.
The middle one?
Yeah. But it looks like it's gonna make a reversal now, so I will get out. But you see what I'm saying? Like, it was literally this close to your take profit.
I know I almost took it there.
And that's with your psychology. So now it's going to go up just to retrace, and then it's still going to come back down. But you see, that's why I was saying it depends on, if you're looking on a 5 minute and you enter there, it's going to go, it might go up before it goes back down. You know what I'm saying?
So
it all depends.
couldn't you get in right now as a buy?
Yeah. But it's still bearish overall.
Yeah.
So it's like you get in you could try it. You get in the buy now, look, now the shit going the other way.
Right.
But you see that? How quick that is? That's 500 that quick. If it were to go right there. Just right there. I can't take it. It may inverse it. So sometimes when it doesn't hold, like you see how it bounced off of it, it should continue going lower from here. But sometimes it'll go above it, then it'll basically like inverse it. And use this as the opposite. Use it the opposite way. So usually this would be a bearish fair value gap since it's 3 candlesticks going down. It should bounce off of this, continue going down, but sometimes it goes above it, close above it, then it comes back and bounce off of it and continue going higher. But you see it's holding pretty good right now.
So I need to sell it.
No, see, that's that fear missing out in your head. I'm about to get in. I would take it to here quick. So you see how it bounced?
You're supposed to be trading minis.
Yeah, whatever.
That's your problem.
That's gonna take too long. I need to pay out before the month is.
This is your problem. We have to make a bet.
Oh my! Make a bet on what?
If I get a payout before you do.
Okay.
We have to make a bet.
What do you want to bet? Oh my! What you want to bet? See how that shit just be playing though? See how I did this crazy ass wick, and if it doesn't close above it, it still is respecting it, so it still could possibly go down.
Mm-hmm. Why didn't you wait till it closed?
Because that shit was all the way up here. That shit be fucking with niggas' heads, bro. But I should have waited till it closed. You're right. That's where my discipline comes in. Lack of discipline. This is just a risky play. I ain't gonna lie.
I need to do the opposite of whatever you said. So I should.
But you see how it closed above it, right? This little fair value gap, and it came back and bounced right off of it. I was just already in the trade, but that's why I should have waited till it did that and then got in. And it should bounce off of this purple thing. But I want to see it continue going a little higher, maybe.
If it bounces off that purple thing, you better take it.
Because it could just shoot right up. And free fall.
Just take it.
You take it.
I should have got in this one.
This is risky. I'm not gonna lie.
But anything you say, I need to do the opposite of it.
But if you would have did the opposite, then you would be down bad right now.
No, you said don't get in it. So you took some.
No, I put in more. I'm trying to get 1,500 real quick.
This is what I'm talking about, bro.
Let's do it, nigga. Here, now I'm good for the day. I'm done. Just that quick. I'm done.
Be done for real.
I am done.
Exit out.
Look, manually lock it.
Yes.
So I can't trade until Monday. This time it's a bullish fair value gap. So now we will wait till it come into this gap and then take it higher.
But we should have waited until it got in there.
Right.
So why didn't we?
Because my emotions was like, oh shit, it's going. It's called fear of missing out.
But do your emotions on your thing, on my thing, do the logic.
It's okay. You should still be good. So, no, I don't want to do that. Let's gonna make me look like a bad boyfriend. So look, I got it on hers all the way up here.
Why would you do that? You should have waited.
It's supposed to be down here.
Why would you do that?
No, don't get out because it's right there now. Now you add more.
No.
I already
Stop. Don't
did it.
add more.
I'll buy you a new account if it doesn't quite work out.
Where are you expecting to?
Right here. So this is the whole fair value gap.
You were expecting it to hit here. Retouch
you
here.
You see the fair value? Like you see 1, 2, 3,
Mhm.
3 candlesticks. That cap in between, it should go there and bounce off of it.
So you're talking about the gap here where this is at the last time that it went.
So boom, it should come right there and then bounce back up and go up. But it ain't.
It's way
good.
past there now.
It ain't looking too good.
Stupid.
But it could wick out of it and still come back and go up. But I think it's too bearish for all of that right now, honestly. So we're just gonna see. I'm gonna get it back though. So now it looks like it may have.
That would have been a good entry right there.
But that's outside of the fair value gap. See, it closed. And now this is the fair value gap now. So
The fair value gap is literally right here. Okay.
But it looked like it's trying to inverse it. You see how this the fair value? It should have came right there and bounced and went off. But instead it closed. Now it bounced and now it's going down. You know what I'm saying? Because we already there. So
It's gonna go up now.
just because I got in right there. Huh?
Yes. So if it touches past this,
If it closed, like the body closed past it, like this one, the red thing, it wicked into it, but it closed outside of it. Like if this candlestick would have closed inside of here, the purple, then it still would have been good. But it didn't. So that means this is no longer valid. This whole thing is no longer valid. But we can use this as an inversion fair value gap. So that's why I got in sales, because it's bounced off of here and now it's trying to go down. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Then we would just target this. It could go lower though.
you need to add more. This is why you need to just listen to me.
I did. You seen I did.
But it didn't do it.
It did. It took the money out, and then as soon as I pressed it, it got in the sale down here, and then it went up, and then I got out, and then basically just bounced.
What?
So as soon as I clicked more, it shot down and took take profit, and then it got in sales down here, but then it shot up, and then I got out. So basically, I don't know. I don't know how much it is.
Don't let
It's
me
your
be in
show.
control now.
It's your
now
show.
That it's negative 200.
At this point, what do you think it's gonna do? I don't even know.
Touch up here.
But you see, we created another one. Right here. And guess what it did to it? I did respect it.
It did.
Yeah, because it's a bearish one.
Oh, that's nice.
And this one was a positive one, a bullish one, but it turned bearish.
Mm-hmm.
So we took that down instead of taking it up. And now we're taking this one down. And the next level is here. But like, how do you feel right now?
Like you messed me up.
So like, do you want to get in another one? Do you want to get the money back today?
When it makes sense. I don't care about waiting till tomorrow. But it's only 200.
Yeah. You'd probably be a better trader than me. But this is the thing, right?
I will be.
This is the thing, right? 200 could turn into 400. And 400 could turn into 800 quick.
Yeah, but it's better to just wait to where you have better probability.
Yeah. But how would you know the next trade is going to go?
Like how you said, like the one, for example, where we should have waited till it closed to get in.
Yeah.
You wanted to get in before.
You're right.
I'd rather be more sure than less sure.
So yeah, you would definitely be a better trader than me. It's all just discipline. I just be lacking with the discipline and patience. You right? It's boring watching this.
I mean, I'm definitely learning a little bit more. I feel like once I actually know more, then I won't be bored. Yeah. W's in the chat. I'll put W in the chat.
Man, go out and take this out before it goes down. Who knows? Let's see.
And then what? You can't lose in more than 500 a day, right?
You just can't lose the account.
Yeah, but how do you lose the account?
I lose 2,000.
Okay, 2,000.
Just chill. Just chill.
Like, why'd you even get in that in the first place?
Just chill.
There's no point in even trading anymore. I done
Yeah,
lost.
I'll trade right now. I'm gonna get it back for you. That's what I'm trying to do. Get you back to the
No, you're revenge trading and you should just wait.
So, are you gonna do it? Or are you done?
I took too many losses today. I'm not gonna trade. Bullshit. Could have waited till you seen something like a double bottom.
Bottom. That's the double bottom right here. Right here.
I know. I'm saying
That's what I
before
got
you started doing all that bouncing.
But you controlling it now. Yeah, no. You controlling it. You gotta get out. Gotta get out of it.
You just want to put me in it, and then so you don't have to
need
worry.
to feel about no. You need to feel how it feels. You need to know how it feels.
Why isn't there a stop loss nowhere?
Where do you want to put your stop loss? I just get out of stuff.
That's what we needed. A clean setup. All this is dirty. Stupid. Bro, why do you keep? I don't understand why you keep taking trades.
Me neither.
This should have.
That's my problem.
Like you.
Leave it out.
This is the last trade of the day, y'all. I don't care what happens. This is the last trade of the day. Yes, it is. Then why are you just getting in dumb ones?
You right.
No, wait until you're at least even.
You might not even go even.
Get out. Get out.
Okay.
You're buying me a new account, and on my new account, he's not touching it. He's literally not touching it once. Like, I said you should have stopped when you were at 30.
You're right.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, what? Why you keep coming over here looking at me like that? Can't you focus?
It's not funny.
It's not funny. It's not. I'm finna buy you a new account because it's over with. I fucked it all up today. Don't be mad though.
How did you even get that far?
Babe, I don't know. One thing led to another.
This is what not to do. And this is why I shouldn't let you trade at all on my account. So now you gotta buy me a brand new one.
No,
And you keep taking trades.
I'm not buying another one.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are. How the hell are you at 1,500? Negative. And I said to stop when we were at 4. You have a problem. That's your account now.
No, it's not. It's your account.
Yes, you are. You're buying me a new one. How you gonna make sure your account is good and then blow mine?
Today was
A horrible day. A good day for you. Horrible for my account.
catch y'all on the next video. I gotta get this account back right. Send a prayer for me. What else? What you gotta say?
Nothing.
You know how to say nothing.
There's nothing else to say.
I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. I feel like a rookie. Lack of self-discipline, self-control. I should not have let this happen. But I say that all the time. That ain't nothing new. Maybe I'm just slow or something. I don't know. But yeah, I gotta get her another account. I messed hers up. So start from scratch on Monday. You gonna come Monday?
Yeah, with my own account.
But yeah, we gone L boyfriend for today.
No W's in the chat.
But yeah, we gone, man. Catch y'all on the next video. Dig. Stupid.
Stupid.